Hey everyone, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Today we've got our fabricated aluminum OEM replacement coolant tanks for the 4th Gen Cummins. So this coolant tank is available for the 2010 to 18. This model right in front of us here for the 13 to 18 in particular. This is a OEM replacement tank for the 4th Gen Cummins. So what we've done is essentially offered a fabricated version that fits right in the OEM spot. This allows room for upgraded turbochargers, other upgrades you might be doing in your engine bay, or if you just want to replace your ugly factory plastic tank, or if your factory tank is cracked on you and needs to be replaced, this is a nice aluminum fabricated upgrade with a powder coat finish. These are CAD designed to fit right in the OEM location using OEM mounting points with little to no modification of anything in the surrounding area. We've incorporated all necessary bungs and fittings and hoses to adapt all of the OEM coolant connections, whether that be the main coolant feed, EGR connections, overflow connections, etc. It's a drop-in replacement tank, does not require tuning. Obviously there's not a performance upgrade here. It's a looks and a reliability upgrade. Another final item that our tank does include to operate just like factory so that you don't have any engine lights on your dash, we have our serviceable coolant float switch. This guy here threads right into the included bung so that you can connect right to your factory connector for the coolant float level. So if you ever have low coolant, it still operates just like the factory tank and throws that low coolant message on the dash. Another nice feature on our tank is our high quality build aluminum sight glass. We put this mounted up high so that you can see it from popping the hood without having to climb in the engine bay and see where the coolant level is. Obviously it's not a clear plastic, or in some cases black faded plastic tank, so we have to add that sight glass in there so you can still see where your coolant level's at. That is pre-installed here at the shop before the product leaves. One less thing you got to worry about installing or having leak. This tank shown here in front of us in our popular WCFab Red, which is one of our in-stock color items available for quick ship, along with several other popular colors noted on our webpage. If you've got extra time to spare or you want a custom color, those are also available as well. All powder coating, like everything else here at WCFab, done here in-house in our state-of-the-art powder coat facility. If you've got any other questions about our 4th Gen Cummins products or about this coolant tank in particular, feel free to reach out to our sales team, leave a comment below. Thanks a lot for watching.